Now, in this video, I'm going to illustrate what the background in preparation for an oral essay that we do one-on-one when we meet in lab to check your notebooks and have these oral essays. I'll often post these, and of course it's a review of what we're doing in class to give you an idea. It's always good to have an idea. Okay, I thought I'd just do a little review of what in the future we might use as an oral essay on sets. And I see I erased a little bit of that with my finger. Going up here, what kind of diagram is that? Well, that's a Venn diagram. What does the U refer to in that diagram? That would be the universe. And then the A and the B, those would be sets in the universe. Now, as we look over here, set A is defined by the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What notation is that in? That's in roster notation. B is defined as the set 2, 4, 6, 8. That's also in roster notation. Now, as we go down here, what am I asking here? And the answer is A intersecting with B. What values would I put there to support that? Well, it would be those that are found in both sets, the 2 and the 4. And you would close the brace on that side. What am I asking down here? I'm asking for the union, A in union with B. I would then put what in roster notation? Well, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 above. In set B, the 2 and the 4 are already present, so I would just add the 6 and the 8. Now, for this one over here, what am I asking? I'm asking what is a complement? That would be those elements in the universe that are not in set A. What would I put there? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 would be an A. So I couldn't put the 2 and the 3, 2 and the 4, but the 6 and the 8 would then be in roster notation here. Now my question is down over here, this is indicating the union of set A and B, but the complement of that, what would that be? Well, since there aren't any elements left, there would be an empty set because 1 through 6 and 8 are already included in the union. There's no other members left. So the one for down there, I guess, this would be an empty set. You would have the braces but nothing in it. Okay, a little short review here of items from 8.2 that in the future might be used in an oral essay. Well, this is something in both classes that we do toward the end of the course. And you'll notice I asked many questions and then I gave the answer. So again, the oral essays aren't meant to be something out of the blue that you've never heard of before. It would be things we had gone over in our flipped classroom lesson, in our practice booklet, and in review in something like this. And you can use your notes for these oral essays. Now, also, every once in a while we have a written essay where I give you the questions, but again, often go over them ahead of time with you so that it's just a matter of bringing knowledge and studying and being prepared. I don't want to make this too long. It gives you an idea of what an oral essay is like.